This episode could save you thousands of dollars. Almost everybody doing Google AdWords to promote their wash and fold and pickup and delivery is doing it wrong. So what is the number one mistake? People are not excluding certain keywords. What you're looking at is over $4,500 of Google AdWords being spent over a period of time. Now, if you don't exclude certain keywords, guess what's going to happen? You're going to spend several dollars per click for the term laundromat in a zip code that's far away from your laundromat. Somebody goes to their phone, they say, "Where's a laundromat near me?" And your advertisement is going to show up and you're going to spend like $3 or $5 on that click. And is that person going to drive 10, 15, or 20 miles to drive to your laundromat? No. So you just wasted $3 and you have no chance of having that customer drive to your laundromat. It's not going to happen. So here's an example. Laundromat near me, this person spent $1,300 on that term across 25 different zip codes. The second biggest money spender was laundry near me, and then laundromat, coin laundry near me, lavanderia, circa de mi, coin laundry, laundromat. Now that's a good one, but I may have a personal bias. All of these terms are wasted money. So if you are doing Google AdWords and you're spending big money for each lead, you want to attract the people who spend big money, which are the people doing wash and fold and pickup and delivery. So all of these terms that you see on this list, you need to exclude all of these terms and you need to focus on the terms such as wash and fold and laundry pickup. And those are the customers who spend hundreds or thousands of dollars per year. Now, how could this have been stopped? Well, we've got a return on advertising spend report inside of our software, and it's a few bucks extra, but imagine if you spent a few bucks and then you saved $4,500. And even if you're excluding all of these different keywords and you're focusing your money on the right words, you may be doing other things that may not be working, such as, are your Facebook ads really working? Me personally, I love Facebook ads when other people do them because they raise awareness for wash and fold and pickup and delivery, but I haven't really seen the evidence of them working too well. You'll get a lot of click-throughs, but a lot of times the people on Facebook are looky-loos. It's a novel idea, but that doesn't mean, and they want to learn more about it, but that doesn't mean they're in the target demographic or they would ever pay for that service. So I prefer selling to people who are already looking for wash and fold. They're already looking for laundry pickup and delivery. I'm not trying to sell it to them. And so a great part about return on advertising spend report is you could see to the dollar which campaigns are working. You could see if Facebook is working for you because a lot of people, especially over time, wind up spending hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of dollars and they have no idea if it's working or not. Could you imagine if you spent $4,500 on anything and found out that money got you nothing? You need to know. You need to have a feedback system letting you know if the money you're spending is working or not. And that's why we spent so much time developing the return on advertising spend module. We're trying to save our customers money. And if they are spending money advertising, we want that money being spent wisely. At our Laundromat Super Suds, we saw that one of our Google AdWords digital campaigns was not effective at attracting new customers. And so we were able to say, hey, let's take that $1,000 we're spending on that per month and apply it to a digital campaign that is working. And without the feedback that we have now of a return on advertising spend report, we would have been blowing $1,000 every single month on the wrong campaign. So now we're spending our money as wisely as could be. So if you are hiring a marketing agency, make sure they're using UTM codes. Those are the names of the digital campaigns. And that way, in our return on advertising spend report, it'll tell you which campaigns are working the best, which ones are bringing in the most customers, how many orders they're placing, and how much revenue that campaign is responsible for. If you're spending money on Google Ads, you need to know the return on advertising spend. Because if you don't know how effective your advertisements are, you may be throwing thousands of dollars into the wind. You need to have feedback. You need to know if it's working. That being said, we are big believers in organic, so that way you don't have to pay money every time somebody clicks on your ad. It's better when you just rank well organically. And that's like having AdWords working for you 24/7 without having to pay every time somebody clicks on your link. And that's something we help our clients out with because the better they do, the better we do, the better everybody does. Make sure to hit like or subscribe on this video because we have an exciting interview with Jennifer from J. Ray Laundry, and you're going to learn so much about branding and connecting with your customers. Lots of great stuff. And if you'd like to learn more about the Curbside Laundries pickup and delivery and wash and fold point of sale solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com.